Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your business email isn't sending, receiving or connecting properly, for example, contact forms not delivering, Outlook not syncing or emails bouncing, this is not a website design issue. In 2026, almost all GoDaddy email problems come from email plan status, DNS or app configuration. So let's fix it step by step, fast and clean. So first thing, identify what email not working means. So before fixing, identify the exact symptom. So for example, we have can't send emails, can't receive emails, contact form emails not arriving, Outlook or Gmail not syncing, emails bouncing back, or domain not verified message. So different symptoms equals different fixes. So confirm you have an active email plan. So log into GoDaddy, go to my products, look for Microsoft 365 email or professional email. Check status equals active, no payments failure, correct domain attached. So if the plan is expired, email will stop working. Okay, so check email login directly. So test email outside your website. Go to email.godaddy.com or outlook.office.com. Try logging in. Results, login works means email exists. If doesn't work, or if it fails, account issue, so you have to reset password. Okay, so if login fails here, the website is irrelevant. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.